December corn finished the week higher after setting a new contract low earlier in the week. And that reversal that came late in the week, well, it was sparked on a lot of optimism on Trump's announcement that he's going to be speaking at the Iowa State Fair Thursday evening. And in particular, he said he's going to talk about trade details and that farmers will be very happy with what he has to say. So a lot of optimism headed into the holiday weekend about trade. In the meantime, we had our weekly export sales reports, as we normally do on Thursdays, and they were strong, especially for the new crop. While old crop corn sales came in a little bit lower than what we had been seeing at 532.7 thousand metric tons. That's down 28% for the week and down 37% from the 4-week average. It is the time of year where we start to see the old crop sales slow down. That old crop marketing year ends at the end of August, so we're kind of getting towards the end of that. And this is the time frame where we start to see sales shift to the new crop, which is the crop that is currently in the ground. And that number was 940,200 metric tons. Now, that was a marketing year high. And when you combine the two, the total was 1.473 million metric tons. That's a pretty good week when you look at it that way. So that was pretty solid. Now, when we return from the holiday weekend, the focus is going to be on weather and if there were any new trade announcements over the weekend. But for weather, this is a very important weekend. Generally speaking, the forecasts that we're looking at, the midterm and the long-term forecasts that we look at when we return from the holiday weekend, sort of sets the tone for the second half of the growing season. And with that corn crop currently rated 73% good to excellent, the best in at least 5 years, if that forecast is favorable, that could be, lower trade for corn. Or if that forecast were to dry out, take some of the moisture out, well, that could change everything for corn as well. So should be a very interesting week next week. Everybody stay tuned and you stay safe.